You heard that you were supposed to feel butterflies, leg-melting kisses and late-night heart eyes. And you do. It's breathless and reckless, and you can't be without them. Like, you hardly ever hang out with your friends anymore. But you heard that's how it's supposed to be when you're in love, and it's kind of hard to see with all the bouquets of flowers and white doves. You like to make them happy. They want you to respond to their messages straight away, so you do it because you want them to feel okay. And they reckon you should put your Insta on private because loads of weirdos always like it. You feel like it's best to do what they say because it's rubbish when they ignore you. Their silence is suffocating, and you can only see yourself when reflected in their eyes. You heard that you're supposed to argue, but when they've done something wrong, it's always you saying sorry. That there are nights where you'll count the stars together and you'll stay up late together and you'll sing that song together. And then your mates say, "Why don't you reply to my texts?" And you're like, "What?" You're thinking maybe you just ain't seen them, but it says they've been read and it wasn't you that was reading. And sometimes you do things you don't really want to, because you heard it was supposed to be about compromise. You heard you're supposed to feel butterflies. They're starting to feel like knots. Not okay, not right, not how you're supposed to feel.